Hello, beautiful ladies, and how are you today? Eyes. Eyes are the windows to the soul, and also the eye area is very, very fine. And you will discover that as you get into your mature years, you'll get very fine lines around the eye area and also the lip area. I'm 64 years young, and Dora View has been online now for 17 years. Wow, it's a long time. We are a micro business, a very small team of people who work behind the scenes with me. Products are manufactured in Sydney, and we have a warehouse out in the country. Eye area. Best thing to use is eye cream. Please do not use moisturizer in the eye area, because what the moisturizer will do, it'll drag the skin down and make your eyes puffy. So we have a beautiful new eye cream. It has fantastic ingredients in it. It's got vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin C to brighten, vitamin E to protect. It also has peptides in it to retexturize the skin. So go over to the website, have a look. $38.95. It will last you for a long, long time. Ciao for now.